I'm Brad Wood, and I'm a senior consultant with Valiantys, an Atlassian Platinum Solutions partner. In this video, we will learn how to configure drill downs in Atlassian Analytics, and we'll show a few use case examples of drill downs as well. If you're not familiar, Analytics is Atlassian's data analysis and visualization tool. It's powered by the Atlassian Data Lake and can also connect to third-party tools. It's available at the enterprise level in Atlassian cloud products. Drill downs in Analytics make it possible for us to filter charts using other charts. Let's look at a quick example, and then we'll look at how to configure the drill down. So we've got a simple pie chart here. We're looking at issues by team. We can see the percentages here in the legend. And if I click on one of the wedges in my pie chart, you'll actually see the table next to it update, and that's because I've configured a drill down. So if I click on one of the different wedges in this chart, I'm updating the value in this control. We can see Team Charlie here, which is what I clicked on in the pie chart. And now we get this drill down issues by team. So now we get a lot more information related to those issues that are currently assigned to Team Charlie. So how are we going to configure this? Well, it's a two-step process. The first thing you need to do is to configure a control. So we've got our control right here. It's looking at the different teams in our Jira instance. And then you need to connect that control to your two different charts. So the first thing we'll do is configure the drill down side, and then we'll show how this is filtering the data in chart 2. So we'll click on More Actions, and we'll go to Edit Settings. And we'll click over here in the drill down section, and this is where you're going to configure your drill down variable and which control from your dashboard you want to be affected by that. So we see the different variables that we could configure here in our different controls over here. You'll choose X or Y value for your drill down. In this case, we've chosen the X value. And we've associated it with the team name control, which is the control we looked at earlier. Once you've set that, you'll simply click Save, and you've got step 1 configured. So now I've got this control being able to be controlled by what I click in this chart. But now we need to make sure that this chart is filtering the data based on that same control. So we'll come over here to Edit Chart, and we can see here that we have that same control set up as a filter in this chart. So now, once I've configured both of those steps, I can click on anything in this pie chart. We could switch to the HR team, for instance, and our control will change, and then our values in our table will change. So that's really the way you configure the drill downs. Again, it's a couple steps. You need to create a control. You need to configure that in the drill down section of your first chart, and then you need to add it as a filter in your second chart. Let's look at a couple other quick examples. Here we've got an initiatives dashboard, and we can see all of our open initiatives here and some information about those. If I click on this initiative, for instance, and then scroll down to this second chart, I can see all of the child issues underneath that initiative. So we can see that this control has been updated with that same issue key that I just clicked on. And we can drill down even further. So if I click on this 209 issue, for example, now I can see all of the children issues underneath this epic, which is HRW-209. I can see there's several children underneath that. And now I can get a bigger picture at the entire roll-up from these issues to this epic to that initiative that we clicked on originally, HRW-208. We'll look at one more quick example. We'll look at this admin dashboard, which is we're looking at some different characteristics or charts based on our Jira products themselves. We can see here Jira Service Management projects by issue count. And if I click on one of these projects, we'll click on HR Service Desk for now. We'll drill that down into this table, and we'll give that just a second to run. And now we can see those 59 issues that are in that project. We've got the issue key, we've got the status category. So those are just a few use cases for drill downs. There's obviously a plethora of use cases out there, and your organization's use cases may be different than what we just showed in this video. But that was just a quick look at how to configure drill downs and some use cases. There are many, many more powerful features in Atlassian Analytics, which we discuss in other videos on our YouTube page, as well as in our analytics workshops, which are hands-on courses that enable you to start using analytics for your organization's reporting needs. The information on those courses can be found at valiantys.com/training. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any follow-up questions related to analytics or anything else Atlassian related, please feel free to reach out to me via email or LinkedIn. Both of those will be included in the description box of this video. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.